Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and I just want to make a quick unboxing video of my new 2022 iPhone SE. It just arrived today in the mail, and I'm super excited to open it, and I thought I should share it with y'all, so let's get it. Alrighty, I just cut open the box. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Comes with a pretty standard, sleek looking Apple iPhone box with the branding on it and everything. As you can see, I got the iPhone SE in midnight because when I looked at videos of it online, it looked really sleek. So hopefully it looks as cool in person. Here we go, moment of truth. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so the shininess right now is coming from a plastic layer on it. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off first. The phone comes with the standard USB-C type to lightning charging cable. Looks like they have guides on the plastic. If you can see that, that's a nice touch that I haven't seen before. Ooh, wow. I will say the phone does look a little bit different in person than online to me. It looks a bit more like a dark navy than a true starry black, but of course that could be influenced by the different lighting. And I do like that it has this really shiny mirror finish. As you can see, it's still reflecting the light ring that I'm filming with right now, even though the plastic's been removed. Like, this is the true case reflection right now. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and at least to me, this part never gets old. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go through the pretty standard iPhone setup. Probably skip through this part a little bit. Now that I've got this thing mostly set up, I just wanted to call out a few features that I noticed when I'm playing around with it. So off the bat, it does use a Touch ID to unlock instead of a Face ID, which is a bit of a change for me because I've been using the iPhone 12 Pro Max before this, but it's nice to have this button back and get that haptic feedback when you press it. Even though this is designed to be an affordable version of the iPhone, it does feel really high quality, and it does contain some parts that are used in the iPhone 13, including the I think it was a Bionic 15A chip, something like that. As you can see, the scrolling is really smooth. I hope that translates on camera really well, but it's nice that the screen interface is a very seamless experience. Also, the main thing that I did play around with was the camera app, because I like taking photos. I was really surprised that the camera quality was really good, even though there's only a single lens. And something that really stood out to me when I was playing around with the camera features was the edit styles button, which allows you to sort of have an in-camera preset that you can set that matches the style of photos that you like to take. So personally, I like to take cooler tone photos and photos with a little bit of vibrance added. So that adds sort of like a little bit of a preset filter on it by default, and saves some time with the subsequent photo editing. I did play around with it a bit and take some pictures of my dog, so I'm going to go ahead and share some pictures of that, see how it came out. Just like any other iPhone, it had no problem syncing info from my other devices using the Apple ID. So as you can see, it already logged my Apple Watch information in it. All in all, I would say that I'm pretty impressed with the iPhone SE. I think that it's a really high quality mobile device for the really affordable price that you can pay. It does have, like I said, a lot of features that the iPhone 13 has, so if you're looking to get a more affordable version of the iPhone, then this is probably the phone for you.